What's up, guys? This here. This is the 36 point booster pack opening called Lapras VMAX Gigantamax. It's the 7th booster pack on my channel, Dayanan Productions. These Pokemon booster packs are very fragile because I can open one more until midnight. This is afternoon, by the way. Sending this afternoon, that's why. This is the morning. I'm just joking. This is not the afternoon. This is the morning. Hey, hey, all the cards blocking up already. Hey, dang it. Oops. Oopsies. Oopsies. Wait, just give me a sec, guys. Wait. I was gonna reach it on afternoon at 12 p.m. Yeah, in afternoon. This is a afternoon upload. I put a warning one. It's the other 6-1. So check it out. Just watch it now and then. Yeah, back to it. There's a code card now. You know it's gonna get good luck. Wait, just give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'm just gonna take out the. I'm just gonna take out the. Let's take out the energy. As you can see, energy. The light energy. I'd always pull the other one because. Okay, we're gonna start off with a Krabby, Rare Candy, Grookey, another Grookey, oh my gosh, one Bray, I'm gonna play it well before, Hoots, Pincher Chin, that's what I said, probably try to spell that, Bidet, BD, Reboots, first has the Cottony, and like, it's a hollow, hey, that's a Boltund. Ooh, what's that? I'm thinking it's like Bite, and that's a Electro Dash. Mom, look at this. Look, it's 120. Mom, it's a hollow, the first hollow. You guys, I pulled two pulls from the first one, the second video, from my 361, and I just pulled 4 non-hollowers on the third, the fourth, fifth, second. But this video. I might release at 12 p.m. This is the 7th video. No, on my channel. I have a lot of videos. I'm just kidding. Look at that. It's like, mom, what it looks like. What it looks like. This thing. It's like a hollow now.
look quite awesome.
Yo, that's so legitly cool. So, let you guys know, I'm lying because the person is that's why. I'm gonna pull one early in the morning or today afternoon. I might reach at 12 p.m. I might pull one early in the midnight. So maybe I'm gonna open 3 packs on President's Day. Open one on my when I wake up though. Yeah, on Tuesday. Yeah. So, oh wait, I put the energy back. My bad. Oops. My bad. How did I miss that? Wow, that's so cool. I have a Bolton now. Bolton, what is that? So that is it. I opened one at midnight though, so I can upload it at 7 p.m. You know. All right, bye. Peace. Depressions.